Today, India has entered into day 38 of the nationwide lockdown. India recorded the largest single-day jump of 1,993 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total number to 35,043 cases, including 1,147 deaths, according to the Union Health Ministry. Adding that 73 deaths linked to the highly infectious illness were reported from different parts of the country since yesterday. A total of 130 districts across the country are marked as hotspots or red zones where strict containment measures are in place to check the spread of coronavirus, according to the government data. 319 districts are marked as green zones, least affected by the pandemic, and 284 districts have been identified as orange zones. 7 metro cities, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Ahmedabad and Pune are in red zones. Over the last 2 weeks, the number of hotspots have reduced from 170 to 130 according to the data. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday held a meeting with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Home Minister Amit Shah and others to discuss ways to attract more foreign investment and boost the economy during the COVID-19 pandemic. Various strategies to bring investment into India in a fast-track mode and to promote Indian domestic sectors were discussed. Detailed discussions were held on guiding states to evolve their strategies and be more proactive in attracting investments, according to the statement released by the government. In Maharashtra, the worst hit state in the country due to coronavirus outbreak, the COVID-19 count crossed the 10,000 mark on Thursday. Mumbai, one of India's worst affected cities, has reported over 7,000 cases so far. The state has reported over 450 deaths so far linked to the highly infectious illness. Several states in northeast India and southern parts of the country have taken the lead in containing COVID-19 spread. The growth rate of coronavirus cases is down to nearly zero in northeastern states and under 3% per day in Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Kerala and Haryana, where cases are being taken well over 20 days to double. Data from the Union Health Ministry shows. 10 days ago, the rate at which the coronavirus infection was doubling across India was 8 days and now it has improved to 14 days.